Today is a very exciting day.
She's here.
Yes, we got a call from three-way campers that our brand new Brinkley has been delivered to the dealership. And although we're not going down today to take delivery, we are taking advantage of the opportunity to go down and see our new coach for the very first time. And we're going to take you along with us. After all this time, seeing our new Brinkley for the first time is very exciting. But first things first.
Does that one even count as a mini?
It's a junior mini. After a quick stop at Chick-fil-A, we headed down to three-way campers.
Thank you.
Yes. Hey brother, how are you? Doing well. Our camper's here. We came down to take a look at it.
I got you plugged up, opened up, air conditioner on. Hop on. I'll take you down.
Awesome.
I'm
Thank
ready to
you.
go. Oh wow.
Yeah, that first one, they made y'all special. That is the first one I've seen where it says Model G under the Brinkley.
You ready to go take a look? Or
Let's
you'll do a
go.
walk around the outside?
We'll do a walk around the outside.
Let's-
This is it. This is actually it.
Starting up front, we chose to go with the genuine gooseneck setup, which Brinkley offers as an option from the factory. We have the Flex Power 5500 dual fuel generator, a Victron 50 amp solar charge controller, and 800 watts of solar panels. The wet bay is another area Brinkley really seems to have put some thought into. Clean layout, easy access, and the built-in 3-stage water filtration system. The onboard fuel station and air compressor adds another level of convenience, especially for longer trips and future adventures. We also love the Brinkley touch of the American flag sticker on the back.
She smells new.
One of the features that kept bringing us back to the 3970 was this flex space in the rear. There are just so many possibilities back here. Office space, guest area, extra storage. It really gives us the flexibility that a lot of other models just didn't have. It's really tall.
It is really tall. I don't have any issues in here, but you want this to be my bathroom?
No, I'll be fine.
Okay, great.
And having the second full bathroom back here was another huge selling point for us. When you're living in a space full time, little details like this can make a really big difference.
Come on. Wow, she's beautiful. Now don't break.
As we moved into the main living area, this is where it really started feeling real. The kitchen feels open and functional. The living room feels comfortable without feeling cramped, and overall, it just feels easy to live in. The AC is cold. A little loud, but very cold. So our salesman, as he dropped us off, let us know that the rig is as it came, straight from Brinkley. They've not done anything to it. No one's been in here other than him to come in and turn the lights on for us to see it for the first time. So there's been no cleaning done. And I have to tell you, going through this thing, it looks like the dealership had already brought in their detailing crew and cleaned the place up. I can't find any shavings of any kind. I can't find any marks anywhere. I can't find any signs of any dirt. I can only assume that, Brinkley really takes a lot of care to clean it up and get it show ready before they let it leave, because it is, really, it's in immaculate shape. I mean, there is absolutely no dirt, not even normal dust inside these cabinets. So I'm very excited. As I look around, I'm very pleased with the build quality, the feel that you walk into it. My hope is that mechanically that it's put together just as well as it is aesthetically.
I just hope our house sells.
The quicker the house sells, the quicker we can be in our new RV. So, since filming our visit to see, we actually have a pretty huge update. We officially accepted a contract on our house, which means everything suddenly got very real, very fast. Over the last several days, we've been packing, moving furniture, cleaning out rooms, and started the process of letting go of a lot of stuff we've accumulated over the years. Thankfully, we've had some help from the kids to get some of the things they wanted to take and moved into storage. It's exciting, it's stressful, it's emotional, and really a little overwhelming at times. But every box loaded and every room emptied is another step closer to what we've been working towards. Okay, so big question. After your first impression, did we make the right choice?
I mean, I couldn't think of a different one I'd rather have.
Well, there you go. That means yes.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and follow along as we take delivery of our new Brinkley and hitch up for the very first time. Thanks for watching.